Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to write a program to compare two numbers and print whether the first number is greater than, less than, or equal to the second number. So we are going to use comparison operator. So we are having the first variable equals 10, the second one equals 20. We check to see if x equals y. We are going to say x and is equal to y. We are printing out this code. If x lower than y, x is lower than 5, and else x larger than y. Why we are having this else part? So there are three things to check: greater, less than, less than, or equal. So when this part, when a number is not equal and it's not, so the first number and second number, they are not equal to each other. So the first number is also not only it's not equal to the second number, but also it's not lower than the second number, therefore it is larger. Okay, so let me illustrate with an example, it will be better. So when I run the code, it says x is less than y. So x is 10 and y is 20. It checks 10 equals 20. No, it's not passing this part. Okay, so this part is not executed. It checks the second condition. 10 is lower than y, 10 is lower than 20. Yes, so it is going to execute this part of the code. Okay, so when I have both set to be 20, it says x is 20 and y is 20. It says that if 20 equals 20, yes, it says in the output, it prints x is equal to y, and we are having this part here. But what if x is 30? So when I run this code, it says x is greater. So when x is not equal to y and it is not lower than y, the only condition that is left is x larger than y. This is why we are having in the else part x is greater than y. We could have another elif saying that if, for example, we could say elif x larger than y. We could also have this part, they are identical. So when I run this code, we still see x is greater than y. So elif x larger than y, x is greater than y. But we were using the else in my first example because we are checking first x is not equal to y and x is not lower than y. So therefore, if neither of these conditions are passed, therefore x is larger than y. Okay, but this is another way to type it down. The easier way is to have the first if condition x equal to y to check if they are equal, x lower than y if x is lower than y, and x larger than y to see and understand and print out in the output x is greater than y. So this is how we can compare two numbers using comparison operators. And comparison operators are these ones. So this is the equal, this is the lower sign, and this is the higher and larger sign. Thank you for watching.